Good morning. Today is Thursday, June 4th, 2020. Okay. Your sight word challenge today is to decide whether you want to build your sight words with Play-Doh or rainbow write your words. Okay? So think about which one you want to do. Video on pause. Go do that and then come back. Okay, glad you're back. Moving on to writing. Okay, so since we have that sight word quiz on Friday, then it's a really good idea for you to practice writing your sight words. So you're going to choose 3 sight words to make 3 different sentences, okay? Now make sure you make your sentences really interesting. Rias and Aaliyah are experts at doing that. They give me really great sentences. When you write your sentences, make sure that they have everything good sentences need. Uppercase letter at the beginning, finger spaces between words, and an end punctuation. So video on pause, go do that, and then come back. Okay, glad you're back. I'm actually really excited to get this piece of work because I haven't gotten any work from you in a while, right? This week you've been writing letters and keeping them, so it's nice to get work from you because I love reading your writing. Okay, moving on to humanities. Okay, so the book that you're listening to today is Sid the Science Kid and the Trouble with Germs. Okay, sounds like a pretty interesting story. There is a quiz at the end of the book, so make sure you go all the way to the end and you take the quiz. Video on pause, go do that, and then come back. Okay, glad you're back. Moving on to art. Okay, so today in art, you are going to draw something that you find in nature. I'm going to give you some examples. You can draw a rock, you can draw a flower, a leaf, even a feather, or if you have taken a trip to the beach, you can even draw a shell, okay? But please make sure that you ask the adult that's in charge of you if you can go outside and get an object, or if you can even work outside, okay? They're the boss, their decision, okay? So now I'm gonna show you how to set up your paper. Okay. You're gonna take a plain piece of paper, fold it 1 time, fold it again 2 times. When you open it up, you have 4 parts to your paper. The top part, you're going to write 15 seconds. Next, up here, this top part, you're gonna write 30 seconds. Down here, you're going to write 1 minute. And right here, you're going to leave blank, okay? Then what you're going to do is decide which object you want to draw. So say you want to draw a rock. Then you would put the rock in front of you, okay? And you would start drawing. But this box here is only for 15 seconds. So someone in your family is going to time you, okay? Either with a timer or they're going to count to 15. Once they stop the timer or they stop counting, your hands are off. Okay, you're done drawing. Move on to the 30-second mark. Still drawing the rock. The person's going to time you or count. When they stop, you stop. Okay? Down here is your 1 minute mark. Okay, they'll set the timer for 1 minute. Or if they're counting, they can count to 60. That also equals 1 minute. Same thing. They stop, you stop. Okay? Now this last part here, there is no time. Okay? So that means you can take as long as you want to draw your object. Okay? When you're all done, you're going to look at all of your drawings and decide which one is your best drawing. Okay? So video on pause, go do that, and then come back. Okay, glad you're back. Moving on to math. Yesterday you were on the hunt for something that's heavy. You were looking for an object that was heavy in your house. Well, today you're looking for an object that's light, okay? Something that's light doesn't require a lot of strength. Like this paper is very light because I can hold it up and still talk to you. I'm not using any strength in my arm at all, like very little strength to hold this paper up, okay? Once you're done warming your brain, finding something light, make sure that you log on to Happy Numbers and do your math assignment for at least 20 minutes. Video on pause, go do that, and then come back. Okay, glad you're back. really hope you logged on to happy numbers, okay? Because the activities are fun to warm your brain up, but we know that the real math work you find on happy numbers, okay? So moving on to expedition. Yes, we're going back to the coral reef. Today, you're thinking about how an eel finds shelter in the coral reef, okay? So you have a choice too. You can either tell someone in your family about it or you can draw it too, okay? So video on pause, go do that, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. Moving on to PE. All right, so today's PE activity is striking. Let me talk to you more about that. I'm pretty sure that you know about it from PE while we were in school, but in case you forgot, I'm going to give you directions. So you can use a ball, you can use a balloon, or you can use a rolled up sock that you make into a ball. And your job is to throw it up in the air and strike it. Okay, keep striking it and see how many times you can strike it before it hits the floor. Okay, that sounds like a fun activity to do. So video on pause, go do that, and then come back. Okay, glad you're back. We are at closing circle. Another great day of learning is behind us. Now remember, you have that sight word quiz tomorrow. So if there are any words that are still really tricky for you, you still have some time to study those words. So then that way you can do a really good job on your sight word quiz. I had such a great time talking to you today. Cannot wait to talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.